guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna post a quick video today how to fold the clothes quickly and organizing and easily with the cardboard made hacks. For that you'll need a cardboard like anything. The size depends on how big you want to make. I'm gonna make 60 centimeter length, and let's see, I'll tell you how to make it. So for that you need a cardboard cutter, scale or inch tape, and cardboard and tape or any tape you want. I'm taking this one from Bunning Warehouse. It's a bit fancy look and strong finish, I guess. So let's see how it goes. For that you will need 6 rectangle size board.
points to remember is when you duct tape or any tape, when you put the tape on these sections, make sure there is room enough to fold from the both side. This one here, like this. So this one opposite side tape should be proper when you put on it. So front part always down, and then so this is hope you like the video. Please make sure the measurement is correct. I hope you like my video, and please make sure you do subscribe, share and comment below the section so that I will find out how you all liking my video, and if anything need to be improved, please make sure you do comment that also, so I'll make sure I won't repeat the mistake again. Thank you. See you in my next vlog.